Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain the trade which I took few days back, and the name of the stock is ITI. This trade is based on price action and volume. This stock delivered around 20% in just 2 days. All the entry and exit, everything is posted in my Twitter handle, guys. After watching this video, you can check out there. And this is the Twitter handle, guys. If you're very serious about learning trading, you can use my previous videos to learn, and you can join my Telegram group and follow Twitter handle where I will share potential stock setups, and in end of the video I will provide a valuable tip. Further, in this channel many educational content related to trading or planned, and kindly comment down the topics you need and I will try to post it. I'm working on to provide swing trading class both in Tamil and English where you can learn from scratch, and one-on-one mentoring program also planned. Let's learn and grow together. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, comment if you have any doubts, and also please make sure to like this video. All the links are in the description, guys. Please do follow and support. Okay guys, let's deep dive into the trade which I took. This is the stock I mentioned, ITI. I was watching this stock for a long time. Let's go to the weekly time frame. It was forming a large consolidation base, and out of this, the stock broke out of this base on this day with a huge volume in the weekly time frame. And let's go to the daily time frame, and you can see here the stock broke with a huge volume and it started to move up. It started to consolidate for some time and again it started to move up. In just 1 month it delivered 151%. I like this kind of momentum, so I waited to find next consolidation and take an entry there. It gave a first leg of move out of the base and then it started to consolidate, and I was waiting eagerly to have a low risk setup. And on this day, there are 3 tight days before the breakout of this day. So I was eagerly waiting to break this range. And after this range is broken, I took an entry here with a stop loss of around 2.3% or something, 2 to 2.5%, and enter the whole quantity here. And on that day, it moved around 10.5%, and next 3 to 4 days it was roaming around that range. And on this day the market was very weak and most of the stocks squatted, and even this stocks too squatted. So I exited the stock at break even because this kind of price action is not good. Following my rules, I exited this stock. I exited the whole position here, and again I didn't kick out the stock. I was watching the stock for a long time. Again the same kind of tightness is forming here. You can see there is a 3 tight pivot candles that are forming with very low volumes. You can see same kind of pivot is forming here with very low volumes. So I was planning to enter at this range if it breaks this 3 tight pivots. So I entered my first quantity on this day, which is on 15th January, and next day it opened very strong, so I added other quantities to this stock, and on that day it delivered around 18%. And overall I have a stop below this candle, below these 3 tight candles, and on this day it delivered 18%. And what my plan was that to hold on to this stock, but if it doesn't break this high and gives a strong follow through, I will exit the stock on the same day. So I was expecting to break this high, but it went high and then it squatted, and there is no quick follow through because it gave a drastic 20% move. So what's my plan was to book this profit. So I booked a whole position on this day around this range, and I booked 20% in just 2 days, and this was a stellar return. Just 20% in 2 days is very good. The where you enter is very important, guys. The timing which the proper timing will save you your money on other bets. And see, just 2 days it delivered around 22%, which is stellar. I'm okay with this kind of return and closing the whole position here. Plus in my trade is around 2.3%. I gained around 20%, which is this trade is around 10 odd trade. For 1 rupees risk, I earned 10 rupees in this stock. So this is one of the best thing. I earned 10 or in just 2 days. So if you want to learn how to catch these type of moves, want to learn how to take low risk entries and everything, you can join my Twitter account, guys, where I will share my trades. This is my Twitter account, guys. You can follow me here, and you can also join my Telegram group where I will share my learnings.
The Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. If you're very serious about trading, you can join that. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.